In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful opening slide using the morph transition to grab your audience attention right from the start. Then I'll show you how to use the push transition to reveal the rest of your content, giving your slides a professional look. Let's get started. First, we'll insert the picture. I'm taking from stock images. Type statue in the search bar. I'm choosing this one. Now drag the picture while pressing Ctrl button to cover the entire slide. Insert a rectangle onto the picture and cover it whole. I'm taking this one as fill color with no shape outline. Now let's insert the text box. Take Aptos Black as font type, 180 or higher as font size. Now let's name it New York. To cut out the text from the rectangle, select the rectangle first and then the text box. Go to shape format and choose subtract. This creates a cutout of your text from the shape. Let's give depth to the text. Select the rectangle and go to shadow option in format shape tab. Now let's duplicate the slide by Ctrl+T. Now increase the size of the rectangle as much as possible so that the image falls into the text. If no further increase is possible, then change the size of the shape manually. I am giving 500 as height and 800 width. Now move the shape upwards and do adjustments so that the picture falls within the text. Confirm it from the side thumbnail. Now let's apply morph transition to the second slide and see its preview. Now let's make other slides. First, I'm changing the background of the slide. I'm taking this one as the background color. So let's insert a text box for the title of your slide. I'm choosing Aptos Bold as the font type, 40 as the font size. Now here your title should be. Arrange it in the middle. Here you should be subtitle. For the subtitle, I am choosing Aptos font type and 28 as font size. I'm directly pasting the other content of the slide. Now let's apply the push transition onto this slide. Here, let's see the preview. We can change the duration of the transition from 2 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever we want. I'm taking 1 second. For the content, I have chosen Aptos Light as font type and 14 as font size. Other slides I have already made. I'm directly pasting those slides so that your time can be saved. For all these slides, I have chosen push transition and the same font type and font size. Here you can see the same push transition I have chosen for these slides. Now let's see the preview of the whole presentation. Now I hope you have understood how to make this beautiful opening slide with the content. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.